Having a YouTube channel is just the beginning. The key to taking your YouTube marketing to success is unlocking the secrets of data analysis, gaining more information about trends of YouTube subscribers or following and growing your YouTube views, and automating your YouTube marketing process. Here's how you can achieve all of that and take your YouTube marketing to the next level. Know what your audience wants. Using analytics will help you get both quantitative and qualitative information about your YouTube subscribers, including details such as subscriber demographics, average watch time, view counts, retention rates, interactions across videos, sources of traffic, and revenue generated. Such data provides valuable information about where and when your video is being watched, the age and gender of your audience, and can help you determine which audience you're reaching. Know your competitors and favorite channels. How many YouTube subscribers do they have? Which of his videos have received the most YouTube views? Which keywords have they used? What is their audience interaction? Knowing how well your competitors are doing will help you stay unique, avoid the same drawbacks and experience more growth. Analyzing your favorite channels will also help you assess why you return to a particular channel, what is unique about it, and may even give you inspiration for your own channel. Optimize your video for SEO. Your metadata is very important here because it contains details about your video, including video title, subtitle, tag, description, category, thumbnail, and closed caption. Even if you have great content, if your videos cannot be found, you are unlikely to grow, so optimizing your videos is important for SEO. Schedule, upload and schedule your videos. Follow YouTube video specifications and watch for quickly gaining attention with recorded videos using quality devices, deciding the length of video and multimedia elements. Decide on the type of video you want: tutorials, customer testimonials, thought leader interviews, live videos, event videos, case studies, or product demonstration videos. Attract YouTube customers through channel optimization. Optimize your channel for an overall experience through relatable content that gives your channel a personality. A very useful video analytic tool recommended by most experienced YouTube video creators is TubeBuddy, which save you time managing all the above within the tool itself. You can check out TubeBuddy, the free YouTube video analytic tools in the listing in our description below. If you find our video helpful, do help us like and share with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more video updates from us in future.